was almost too sleepy to think any more. He looked beyond the thorn bushes out into the big dark night. Nothing could be farther than the sky. I love you right up to the moon, he said, and closed his eyes. Oh, that's far, said Big Nut Brown Hair. That is very, very far.
That's great.
Big Nut Brown Hair settled Little Nut Brown Hair into his bed of leaves. He leaned over and kissed him good night. Mwah. Then he lay down close by and whispered with a smile, I love you right up to the moon and back.
The end. By BB Coss.
Give it a pat pat,
That's how much
Cypress.
I love you.
Is that a nice
Isn't
book?
that a good book?
Say thank you, baby.
Thank you, BB. Say
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, BB. Haha, thank you, BB.
That was a nice nighttime story.
Oh.